Hi, my name is Rizky from acreativealt, and today I'm gonna talk about TikTok. Sorry to say, but just like many other 90s kids, I really don't understand why people actually watch TikTok. In a spirit of fear of missing out, I decided to download TikTok and learn a little bit of it. And of course, I set up my TikTok account. In this video, I just want to share 2 items that I purchased to create a TikTok video. And actually, it's just in time that one of my clients actually asked me recommendations to create a TikTok video. So I purchased 2 items that I would recommend to buy if you decided to go to create a TikTok video. When I decided to start creating TikTok account and I started to think about what I want to create on TikTok, being a video producer, I started to complicate things. I started to think about putting my proper camera, put it in a vertical mode. I was even thinking out about putting a TikTok stations in a studio. But when I watch a lot of TikTok videos, most of them are actually pretty short and of course pretty simple in terms of production. So I consider this as if I'm creating a story and simplify everything. So the first thing is I decided not to use a proper camera and simply just use my mobile phone. I always believe regardless what types of a camera that you are using, the most important thing is actually lighting. The first thing that I bought is actually this clip-on light. This actually comes with a wide-angle lens, but of course I simply bought it for the light. I can't remember how much I actually purchased for this, but I think it was 15 Singapore dollars. And I'm pretty surprised with how powerful this light actually is. 3 level of brightness. If you look at this, if I put it closely, I can actually overpower this big LED lights that I used to light up this video. I can easily clip this on my mobile phone. By having this, I can actually create TikTok video or Insta story in any kind of a situation. The second thing that I bought is actually this, which is a mini tripod. With that, I can just put the mobile phone on the tripod on my desk and I can actually record the video without any assistant. The next thing, this one is outside the 2 things that I bought. I've been using this app to create all my Insta story on Instagram. It's actually a video editing app that you can simply record and cut and do a couple of adjustments afterwards. Of course, being able to edit the footages individually will be something that's really beneficial. So this app's called KineMaster. It actually costs you $7 a month if you were to use the full versions. In order for you to remove the watermark, you can even do color grading in it. Basically, the ideas of this is that when I upload a TikTok video, it's actually already been edited and completed. So it means I don't actually use TikTok to edit the videos at all. One thing that I didn't actually mention is actually audio. I was actually tempted to recommend a microphone. There are a lot of types of small microphone that are dedicated for your phone. Can be like a lapel mic, can be like a Rode Go or something along that line. But I think back and I feel that TikTok video has to be simple and it's about creating it fast, creating it as efficient as possible. And of course, the fact that TikTok can add on songs inside makes audio maybe a little bit redundant. So those are a few things that I would like to recommend if you want to create a TikTok video. And of course, follow me on TikTok. I also want to know, what do you guys think about TikTok? Is it just simply a fad? Or some other bigger companies going to create something similar? What do you think? Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is useful and I'll see you next time.